Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to extract day, month and year name from this date column. First of all, just select the date column and drag it to to another these three columns. Now just select the day column, press Ctrl 1, then go to custom, go to this general, edit this to 4 times D and just press enter, and you can see that your date column is now changed into day. In this way we can extract a day name from this date column. Similarly, for month, just select this column, press Ctrl 1, go to custom, and just type 4 times am here and press enter, and in this way we can see that month name has been extracted from the date column. And for the year also, just press Ctrl 1, go to custom and just type here 4 times YY and press enter. Thank you.